So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 108,678. And as you can see, things have not changed since yesterday. Today, of course, it made another attempt towards $110,000. Let me tell you how much exactly did we see today. Today it went to 109,190. This area, but the thing is that, of course, again, it did drop, and it dropped towards 107,400. It's not today. Today has started already 3 hours ago, but talking about yesterday, which was just today, a few hours ago. So the overall situation of Bitcoin has not changed. It is as boring as it can become. It is pretty much punishing anyone that is in the market, and I think pretty much a lot of people will end up making bad decisions, because the thing about human being is that once the human being gets frustrated, he or she starts making decisions on the basis of emotions instead of relying on their knowledge or understanding of the market. And I think that is exactly what is going to happen very soon with some of people, and then market will pick up a direction. So if the market is supposed to dump and people, they buy it out of frustration, thinking that it's not going to go down further, and then it starts going down, I think this is going to be one of those worst case scenarios. But anyway, our support is still at 102,500. Our resistance is still at 110,000. Until and unless Bitcoin doesn't break above $110,000 and spends 2 days above it, there is no journey towards 120. And if it doesn't break below 102,500, there is no journey to $70,000. Of course, the downward journey is way more lucrative than the upward journey. So let's see which direction does it pick. Other than that, I don't think there is anything else to add. The only thing that we can see right now is that on 4 hours, Bitcoin has started a downward journey. It's a very initial stage of it. This is a downward trend, and if it continues, hopefully we will see it going towards this area. And this region is, of course, the psychological area 105. But our interest is not in this. Our interest is in 102,500, and it is on 4 hours, and it's just the beginning of a probable downward journey. Other than that, there is nothing else to add in terms of news. I don't see any particular news on Bitcoin that would make me think that, okay, this news is going to push Bitcoin or is going to drop Bitcoin. It's pretty much the same old. We just need to see either break of 110 or break of 102,500, and then we will have our journey. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.